Digital marketing efforts are not just limited to social media. For example, one aspect of digital marketing are emailers. They play a very important role in brand promotion, spreading awareness, and of course, sales. Crafting the perfect email can be quite a challenge, since there's always competition to catch the eye of the audience in crowded inboxes, and also design constraints, legal compliances, and the need for creativity and relevance. In this part of our video series, Hitesh Motwani, Gen AI and ChatGPT trainer at Skillopedia, will dive into the nitty-gritty of email marketing and teach us how breaking down prompts can dramatically enhance your output. If you missed the first part, be sure to check it out with the link in the description. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Suppose if you write an email marketing, for example, write a website copy. Sometimes when you ask somebody to do too much stuff, what's going to happen? You get tired. So suppose if I have to write a blog or I have to write an email copy, rather than asking it to write the entire copy together, I can just say, write me only subject line and give me 4 subject line variations for it. You choose one of them. Then you say, this is the subject line, this is my subject line. Write me a very powerful intro. Then you give an intro, then the body copy, then the output. So then what happens? The output is even more sharper, because when you give ChatGPT smaller tasks to do, it will give you a better output as compared to trying to do the entire task at one shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply use a couple of prompts right now in front of you, okay, to help you understand exactly, how do you kind of go about this. So typically, whenever you want to kind of put any perfect prompt together for any particular task, you should be using something called as this framework, RTC-GC framework. So a good prompt should have a role, it should have a topic, it should have a context, it should have a goal, and it should have a constraint. Role can be act like XYZ. Topic is what you want to do, marketing plan, business plan, emails. Context, product, target audience, what the product does, who is it for. Goal, I want to build a plan to be very comprehensive in nature. I wanted to basically, ensure that it increase my brand awareness or leads or sales, whatever the goal is. And what's the constraint? Constraint is what you don't want it to do. I don't want it to be spammy. I don't want it to be, say, for example, repetitive. I don't want it to be very generic. I want it to be less than 400 words. That's a constraint. So usually, any good prompt should have role, topic, context, goal, and constraint. When you have these 5 things, that's when you basically make a very, very good prompt. All right. So let's now understand today a little bit more about, email marketing. So if you see, ChatGPT can actually hallucinate while writing emails entirely, because email is a very long thing. You must have seen this. You ask this ChatGPT writing email for you. It's very, very long. And sometimes it can be very boring. So let's now break it down. And let's now use a technique called as breakup prompts, where I'm going to basically break up emails into parts. All right. So I'm going to basically break it into subject, body, CTA, follow-up, and sequence. Okay, I'm going to just do this 5 things. I can do it together also, actually. But then sometimes if I want the best response, better is to break it up. So let's take a scenario over here. I'm just going to go back to my ChatGPT right now. Okay. So what I'm doing is, if you want, you can also break things up. So I just asked it to act as the email marketing copywriter who is known for writing an email that gives sales. Okay. Today I've been selling a CRM software. Rather than writing the entire email at one go, I wanted to break it up in parts and write in the following order, one by one. Once I give you feedback, then only move to the next part. Okay. So the order is subject line, intro, body, CTA, follow-up sequence in same order. The target audience is sales team of medium-sized organization. Aim is to get appointment with sales heads. This is basically my simple ask. Is my prompt for you. So now let's see what happens. Understood? I'll help you creating this thing. Let's have a subject line. Please provide some information with certain software, unique selling points, benefits, and special features. So now see, initially, it never asked me questions, but now because it's sequential, it wants more context, it wants more details.
If you have made it to this point in the video, do subscribe for more such content and click on the link below to check out our courses. We offer an array of programs from top universities in India as well as abroad. Alright, now back to the lesson.
I'm going to say my CRM is AI powered. Benefits are it helps in increasing sales by at least 20% with less manual input efforts. And features is we can start with as low as 2 employees and go up to 1,000. Gives a detailed analytics, improvement areas, speech to text recognition, and shares what are the drawbacks and positives of each sales rep making the call to the customer client perspective. All right. So now, it will basically start giving subject lines. So you can see subject lines. So I'm going to say, can you give me at least 5 options? So now it'll start giving 5 options. Okay. Unlock your 20% sales growth with AI powered CRM. Discover how boosts your sales efforts. Maximize sales efficiency from 2 to 100 AI CRM for all. I'm going to say, can you make the subject line more personalized? It doesn't sound like salesy or marketing. It should evoke open rates. Then say elevate sales success with AI powered for personal invitation. I'm going to say, help me with more options. In fact, keep it informal and always give 5 options. So what I'm doing right now, I'm using a chain of properties. So I'm just building upon his previous responses and I'm just doing that. So you can say, hey, first name, let's talk about sales boosting with AI CRM. Ready to boost your sales? AI CRM has something special for you. AI powered CRM is sales game changer. AI plus sales, magic, let's dive in. Coffee break, discover how AI skyrockets your sales. So these are better ones. You see, look at the difference now. In these ones, and what I got initially. Initially, it was just like a plain Manila, ready right? Unlock your 20% sales, boost your sales, maximize sales efficiency from 2 to 1,000 employees. Look at these ones. Much, much better. You understand the power of just breaking it up. So I'm going to say, let's go with this one. Okay. So it's a great choice. Now, you must be providing some information about your CRM software's unique selling points, benefits. Okay. I'm going to say my benefits and USP remains same as given earlier. So now it started writing me the intro. I would say, hey there, we all know the right tools we can work wonders with. That's why I wanted to personally reach out to you today. Imagine CRM system that not just is smart but downright magical. With our AI-powered CRM, we are turning dream into reality. It's more than just software. It's a ticket to boosting sales by at least 20%. By reducing your manual workload, and best part is it's flexible and it's powerful, scaling up 2 employees to 1,000 employees seamlessly. Intrigued, let's dive into how this magical really works. So I'm going to say, this is good, but I would like to make it more personalized and informal. Can you provide me 2 more options? And say, hey there, I stumbled upon something that I think would be game changer for your sales team. It's our AI powered CRM software, and I think it's having a less sales result on your side. It can boost your sales by about 20%, and best part, it also does everything heavy lifting for you. But it's not just numbers. It'll make your life easier, your sales smarter, and your team more efficient. So, are you up for the magical movement? I hope you have a fantastic day. Even though about what AI can do for your sales, ever thought about what AI can do for your sales? We did. And the results are incredible. AI powered sales CRM software is here. Relates to sales game. It can help you to increase sales by 20%, and it's easy to use and it's practical and it's run by itself. But I won't keep you waiting. Let's chat about how this AI magic can work for you. When you dive in, feel free to do from one of the options below. Right? Pretty cool actually, right? So I think this one is better actually. So I'm gonna go with this one right now. I'm gonna say I will go with XYZ. So now great choice. We're elaborating about features and benefits. Please provide me any details you would like to one body copy of the email. So I'm gonna say the body copy should be short and crisp to the point with a CTA to the end. Right. And then it was like the body copy. I have our CRM is designed to make your search easier, more profitable. Need to see this magic in action. Let's schedule a quick call. So I'm gonna say, can you in fact put the copy in short bullet points in the middle of the email? So now you just give me like a bullet points over here. So I'm gonna say, this looks great. Let's complete the entire email and give me final copy of whatever I approved. So now subject line, intro, body copy, call to action, CTA button, that's it. So see, a sequential email now provides you also time to think, improve, improvise, and give it, rather than having the entire email together and doing things over here.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to learn and explore more such topics, subscribe to this channel for more. Until next time.